Welcome to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to generate automated content with WP Automatic, and the content will be coming from RSS Feeds. So select here, Feeds, and let's give it a title real quick, and I'm going to run it every 60 hours. And let's scroll down here, Feeds to post from. Let's go over to Google search engine here and enter in your keyword. So my niche is weight loss, and then RSS feed, and you can do it for any keyword you want, and then it'll give you a bunch of results. And one of the most popular sites is FeedSpot. It gives you like a top 100 weight loss RSS feeds or whatever keyword you want to target. So here there's a bunch of RSS feeds. I'm just going to copy a few of them. Make sure you copy the actual RSS feed right here and then just paste it in. I'll just do a few of them to test it out. Not every single RSS feed will be perfect. Some of them may not look good once you publish them. So let's do one more. Okay, and here you can choose to rotate the feeds. That way you get an even amount. Every time WP Automatic make a post, it'll go from the first one and then the second one and then third one in sequential order rather than random. So you can choose that if you want. Okay, the next part, single item title extraction. I'll just leave that alone as auto detect. That's the default setting. Content extraction, you can choose to do the full content or just the feed as is, whatever the RSS is giving you. I'll just leave it as default, full content. And here are some more options. I would recommend to skip posts with no content. We want to make sure there's always content for you to post with WP Automatic. And if you're into images and you don't want content without images, you can skip it right here. So that way there's always at least some kind of image in your post. And this setting right here, set meta tags as WordPress tags, and that's pretty good. I'll leave that checked. Okay, let's go down, and you can play around with these other settings if you like, but default is pretty good, and you can customize your posts if you like with these additional tags. I'll just leave those alone for this example. And then the rest of the options here, you can choose like if you want a specific category to be posted at your blog, and if you want to mess around with translation and article spinning, there are settings for that down here. Okay, but for now, let's just publish and see what it looks like. Okay, now it's set to run every 60 hours, but let's run a campaign now to see how it looks. Okay, here we have the first post. You grab the article image, the entire post. Okay, so that's how you do a full RSS feed. And now I'm doing another example. This is from a different website, but as you can see, WP Automatic pulls everything beautifully and works great. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the results from WP Automatic. That's how easy it is to use WP Automatic and post content from RSS feed right into your WordPress post. Thanks so much for viewing. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on WP Automatic and other WordPress tutorials. Thanks again, and happy blogging.